Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you for stopping by. My name is Sonia from Nina's Crafty Life. In today's video, I'm doing a collective haul of crafting related items I purchased and I thought I would share. So let's get started. First up is stuff I purchased from Cricut.com during their 40% off sale. And because I have Cricut access, I was able to get an additional 10% off. I finally bought the machine tool organizer to store my blades. I've wanted this for a while, so I was happy to get it at the sale price. Next is the foil transfer kit. I have used the We Are Memory Keepers foil quill for a while now, so I thought it was time to add the Cricut brand one to my collection. I finally stocked up on mugs to use with my Cricut mug press. The 2 count was only $4 and the 6 count was $12. Next up is Amazon. I purchased Printer's Jack sublimation ink to finally convert my printer into a sublimation printer. This was also on sale and I really like that the bottles fit my Epson printer, so it will make the conversion easier. Also from Amazon, I bought this pack of sublimation paper. I also got this pack of acrylic discs. I'm not entirely sure what I'm going to make with these. I was thinking of maybe making baby milestone discs, but we'll see. If you have any ideas, let me know in the comments down below. I also got this quilling tool set to roll up paper flowers easier. I like that it came with all these tools and it was only around $7. I found this foil cutting kit on clearance at Joann and I can't wait to use it. I almost forgot, I also bought this laser printer from Amazon to use with the Mink foil machine. If you have the foil machine, let me know in the comments down below. I just purchased mine, but it hasn't arrived yet, so I will do an unboxing once I receive it. I also bought some rolls of foil to use with the foil machine once I receive it. I got holographic silver, silver, red, rose gold, and gold. So far my favorite is the holographic one. Next is Hobby Lobby. They had a sale on their paper packs, 50% off, so I picked up this one here. I really like the watercolor design. I also picked up some plain white cardstock because I go through this one pretty fast, so I always like to keep some on hand. I found this watercolor foil paper pad that is just so gorgeous, I couldn't pass it up. I mean, just look at it. I also found this one, which is giving me major Lisa Frank vibes, and I'm just obsessed with the foil effect. I also bought this gold wall organizer for my craft area. And I bought some greenery and foil accents to use as photo props, and these were also on sale. And last but not least, from Hobby Lobby, I also purchased this heart-shaped cake topper. Let me open it up. It's very lightweight and flexible and it would look really cute on a cake, but I actually plan on using it as a decoration piece in my craft area. Lastly, I picked up some items from IKEA for my crafting area. I bought this rail and this shelf that attaches to it. I really like this to organize my markers and other craft tools. I also got these shelves for my pegboard and more hooks. And I also grabbed this cute little plant for decoration. And that is all for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and of course I would love it if you subscribe. Thanks for watching.